In this video, I'll show you how you can check when someone was last online in Roblox. Now to do this, we need a Chrome extension called Rogold. So simply search for Rogold on Google and you'll see it has over 500,000 users, a good rating, and don't worry, it's safe. Simply what you want to do is just press add to Chrome, add extension, just here. And once it has been added, go over to Roblox and reload your screen. Now after you do this, what you want to do is find the person that you want to check. So in this case, I'll just search for a random player. Right here. Go onto their profile. And then what you want to do is simply scroll down. Now when you come down here, it'll say when they joined and when they last were online. Now they were last online 2 years ago, so maybe this is not the best example. But if you have a friend, you can go to their profile and you'll be able to see when they were last online. So that's basically how it works, guys. It's really simple. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.